The day has finally arrived. I just have to get through 8 hours of work first. Here it is. I had to come round to Mum's house for delivery. It is here. This guy's trying to film and you don't have a tripod to hand. It is a bit of a nightmare. What is outline? Boom. Makeshift tripods for the win. Finally have it in my hand. Finally with tight iron grip. That is the Note 10 Plus 5G. 256. Nobody needs 512. Sorry. I mean, no, not nobody. I don't know. Do I open it now or do I wait to show everyone later? I've got to get back to work. I don't think I'm going to wait. I have waited far too long for this, thanks to the upgrade anytime plan not going my way, and me being a bit of a spoiled brat about it, and then finally ordering the phone, only to be told a week later after ordering it that it was out of stock and not coming back into stock. I had to order it again and told it was out of stock and I'd have to wait 14 days. It actually arrived after 11 days. So I don't even care how many of these videos you've seen. I don't care that I'm late. I'm gonna unbox this anyway. You can mark my words that going forward into the future, there will be more tech videos coming on release day, before release day, or very soon after release day. So might as well just subscribe now so you don't look silly subscribing after all your friends. Let's get it unboxed. Okay, so as I said, this is the Aura Black Note 10 Plus 5G. And I ordered it. Well, I've been trying to get it since pre-order, but it cost me a fair amount of money, more than I could justify at the time to pre-order it. Let's cover the IMEI number. So I didn't do it, and then I ordered it as soon as I could, and I didn't get it, and then I ordered it as soon as I could, and nobody got in touch with me. I rang to see where it was, and he told me it was out of stock, wasn't coming back into stock. So then I had to wait, try and make a decision again. Made the decision to order in black, 256 gig on 5G as well. No, I'm not a baller. Hello. The reason I got it in 5G is because of an offer on my upgrade, which basically meant it was pretty much the same price for 5G as it was 4G. So I thought, hey, might as well go for the 5G. Damn, that's reflective. And then that way I can do some speed tests as and when 5G gets released in my area, which probably will be about 10 years from now. However, I'll leave that on for now. I'll leave the screen protector on for now as well, at least while I get it set up. Let's move that out of the way. Shiny! Yeah, but at least Liverpool will be getting 5G pretty soon. Take a look in the box. Get the 25 watt charger in the box. Boom. I always like Samsung's little slide down bit like that, but it would be nice if it went somewhere else as well, like maybe inside, so I can travel with it without breaking it. It'd be nice. There's a little bit of no packaging on that for a change. There's usually something wrapped around it, but there's not this time. I do like how eco-friendly everything's gone now. So there's the S Pen tips in there, as well as a adapter, USB-C to USB-A in there. Once again, origami skills on point. Samsung. And there's the S Pen removal tool for the extra tips, which are also in there somewhere, guessing. yeah, there we go. You do get a couple of extra tips. I only learned quite recently that they are different size, different feel on the tips. There's the AKG headphones. What is it with headphones being boxed to look like the wireless? I mean, they look like they could be wireless earbuds. However, they're not. They are a cable though, I like that, rather than just the usual breakable wire. And they look cable wound, which is nice. And they are USB Type-C. Let's bust them open with some more skilled origami. And yeah, USB Type-C headphones, really jubbly. And the box is empty. There should be more tips for the buds somewhere. There's a charging cable, which is USB-C to USB-C. I am dropping everything. I can't get my arms around the tripod. My hands are hurting. I'm like 3 miles behind this camera right now. There we go. There's another micro USB to USB Type-C adapter. Always quite handy to have. I always carry them with me in my bag. The extra spare buds wrapped around a piece of cardboard. Again, eco-friendly. I love it. Let's get this thing turned on. Sorry, I did forget, because it's been that long since I've seen any boxes been opened. There is an impossible to get at package up the top there with some booklets and things inside, which no one ever reads, so might even question why they put them in there these days. Should have just put them on it as a PDF on the phone. That'll probably be easier. And this is what I need. SIM card removal tool. Let's get my SIM card in there. So as I said earlier, this is a 5G version Lock 2 EE. So just pop out the SIM tray. So as soon as I can, I will be doing some 5G tests, so you might be able to subscribe to see them coming soon. Let's power it on. Oh, I forgot it's on the left hand side. And it's not too bad. I actually like the fact that there's no buttons on the right hand side. I use a wireless charging stand from work to watch some videos when I'm not too busy, and it kind of sits on it like that, with the wireless charger there in the middle and then up around the back. When I have buttons, I accidentally press Bigsby or I accidentally lock the screen at the same time, so at least now I can just put it on that end and not worry about any buttons, and it's still going to sit perfectly on the wireless charging pad. So I'm going to go set this up. Like the video if you want to see more, subscribe to keep coming back for more tech videos in the future, and comment below and let me know if there's anything you want to see on a future Note 10 Plus video, because I'll be doing a lot of videos both on and with this phone. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.